Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know your location in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to know your location in Google Maps, first open up your Google Map app on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps app, guys, if you're on this interface and you don't know your location, you'll be required to tap on the white circle with a circle inside icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see on the bottom right corner of the screen there are two icons, one a blue box with the arrow icon and one a white circle with a dark circle inside it. The upper option is for the GPS tracing. Tap on that icon and your location will be shown to you. By this way you will be able to know your location in Google Maps. If you're in other interface, say let's go back and let's tap on this white circle with the circle inside icon, which is the GPS icon over here at the bottom right. Tap on it and your location will be shown to you like this. By this way, guys, your location you will be able to know your location on your Google Maps. And with that being said, guys, this is how to know your location on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.